This video is sponsored by Editor's Keys. For audio recording and editing solutions, visit editorskeys.com. The Sennheiser HD800s are open circumaural dynamic stereo headphones, and they're one of the reference pairs that we use in the studio. Now, apart from being beautifully presented in their packaging, they use some really high-end technology to offer up a very natural listening experience. As well as being impeccably designed, they use a special 4-wire high-performance connection with Teflon insulation. On top of this, around the ear cups is a high-quality microfiber fabric, which really gives you the ultimate in comfort. On the specs front, the frequency response is 14 to 44,100 Hz, the jack plug is 6.3mm, and the cable length is 3 meters. The weight, without the cable taken into account, is just 330 grams. The build quality is absolutely superb, with a nice mix of metals and high-grade plastics, and on the inner of the headphones, both the headband and the ear cups use this really soft microfiber material. Taking a closer look, you can really see the attention to detail that Sennheiser has given the HD800s. With regard to comfort, at 330 grams, they're certainly not the lightest pair of headphones on the market, but the quality of the materials used and the amount of padding and the design of the headband really do make up for this. High-grade components are used throughout, including a very nice braided cable with that 6.3mm audio jack. Audio quality is obviously the important part of any pair of headphones, and we test in a variety of ways, starting off with a direct connection to an iPhone. And the Sennheiser HD800s don't disappoint. They come alive, delivering really awesome amount of detail, especially in the low end to mid range. We then plug these into a FiiO X3 high-res audio player, and wow, they really do come alive, delivering so much more depth and scale to the music we were listening to. Introduce a headphone amp to the equation, which we used the FiiO E12 in combination with an iPhone 5, and wow, things just change again, transforming the HD800s, especially in the higher frequency range. The soundstage delivered once you plug these in via a headphone amp is absolutely amazing. Sitting down at home for an evening listening session, and we introduced the Audienced HUD MX2, which is a small desktop-based headphone amplifier, and then also our Cambridge Audio DAC Magic Plus. And again, the sound was taken to yet another level and can only really be comparable to possibly listening to the music in a live arena or concert type scenario. The soundstage came alive, and the HD800s seemed to deliver the same amount of detail but with a lot more ease to the sound. It was just effortless and a really enjoyable listening experience. If you are serious about your music, then we can certainly recommend the Sennheiser HD800s.